about that marvel of nature that allows you to appreciate the vibrancy of a rainbow, the subtlety of a painting, or the beauty of a sunset. Yes, it's the human eye, a fascinating powerhouse of visual perception. Imagine for a moment the world without sight, devoid of colors, shapes, and movements. A rather dull place, isn't it? Now, let's dive into the mechanics of this marvel, the human eye. Think of the eye as a camera. When you take a picture, the lens of the camera focuses on an object and an image forms on the film at the back. Similarly, the human eye works on the same principle. First up is the cornea, the eye's outermost layer. It's like a clear shield protecting the eye and bending light to help create an image. Imagine it as the camera's lens cap, always ready to protect and serve. Next in line is the iris, the colored part of the eye. It controls the amount of light that enters the eye, similar to the aperture of a camera. When it's too bright, the iris reduces the eye's opening, known as the pupil. Conversely, in dim light, the iris widens the pupil. The lens sits right behind the iris and pupil. It further focuses the light, fine-tuning the image as it travels to the back of the eye. Just like the lens of a camera, the eye's lens adjusts to focus on objects at various distances, a process known as accommodation. The retina, at the back of the eye, works like the film in a camera. It's here that the magic happens. The retina contains millions of photoreceptor cells called rods and cones. Rods help us see in low light, while cones are responsible for color vision and work best in bright light. These photoreceptors convert light into electrical signals. These signals then travel along the optic nerve to the brain, which interprets them as images. So, in essence, you see with your brain, not your eyes. Now, let's summarize. The human eye is a sophisticated system. It starts with the cornea bending the light that enters the eye. The iris and pupil control the light's intensity, while the lens focuses it onto the retina. The retina's photoreceptor cells convert this light into electrical signals, which the optic nerve sends to the brain. The brain then interprets these signals into the images you see. It's a seamless process that happens in fractions of a second, allowing us to perceive the world in all its visual glory. So the next time you marvel at a stunning view or a piece of art, remember the incredible work your eyes are doing behind the scenes. This is just a glimpse into the fascinating world of how the human eye works. Isn't it amazing? This intricate yet perfectly synchronized system that allows us to see and appreciate the world around us?